12 Fun Ways to Make Money Online. Welcome to your ultimate guide to making money online in creative and enjoyable ways. Whether you're hunting for a side hustle or dreaming of ditching the 9-to-5, this video will equip you with 12 fun and practical ideas. Let's turn your spare time into income, all from the comfort of home. The digital world has opened endless doors to earning possibilities. From freelancing platforms to social media, it's now simpler than ever to monetize your hobbies and skills. With just a smartphone, computer, and some motivation, you can kickstart an online income stream in no time. Coupled with flexibility, making money online lets you work when, where, and how you want. Whether you're a busy student, stay-at-home parent, or full-time worker, there's an opportunity that fits your lifestyle and interest. Ready to dive in and explore these ideas? Have a knack for creativity. Sites like Etsy and Shopify allow you to sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products. Whether it's designing mugs, jewelry, or printable planners, you can turn your artistic streak into a profitable venture with ease. Promote your store through social media or ads to reach more customers. Plus, with print-on-demand services, you can sell custom t-shirts or mugs without managing inventory. It's never been simpler to create your own online marketplace. Are you skilled in writing, graphic design, or video editing? Freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr let you offer your expertise to clients globally. Simply set up a profile, build a portfolio, and start bidding on projects that match your skills. Freelancing puts you in control of your rates and working hours. This side hustle is ideal if you want to earn extra cash while doing what you love, from the comfort of your couch. If you're great at a subject or skill, why not teach others? Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, or Wisent allow you to tutor students or create courses. From math lessons to cooking tutorials, there's demand for knowledge in every niche. With Zoom and other tools, you can easily run classes and connect with learners worldwide. Teaching online pays well and allows you to make a meaningful impact. Love writing or sharing ideas? Blogging might be your thing. Create content about topics you're passionate about, such as food, travel, or personal finance. Once you grow an audience, monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. Building a successful blog takes time, but the passive income potential is worth the effort. Stick with it, and you could create a lucrative online asset. If photography or videography is your hobby, you can sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Businesses and content creators often need high-quality images and footage for their projects, and your camera skills could meet that demand. Upload your best shots, add keywords, and watch your portfolio generate passive income over time. Have a personality that shines on camera. Start a YouTube channel. Whether it's gaming, how-to tutorials, or vlogging, you can create videos about anything you're passionate about. Once you build a following, earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, or selling merchandise. Consistency is key. Upload videos regularly, engage with your viewers, and success will follow. Love spending time on Instagram or TikTok? Turn your scrolling skills into a profit by managing social media for businesses. Many companies hire freelancers to create posts, run ads, and grow their online presence. As a social media manager, you combine creativity with strategy to help brands shine online. It's a fun and flexible job with great earning potential. Do you enjoy thrifting or spotting great deals? Buy items at garage sales, thrift stores, or clearance sections and resell them online through eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Focus on trending items like vintage clothes, collectibles, or electronics. With patience and smart shopping, item flipping can yield impressive profits while being super fun. Companies like User Testing pay people to review websites and apps to improve user experience. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and a few minutes to share your feedback. This is a straightforward way to earn extra money while exploring new tech tools. Plus, you often get paid instantly after completing the tests. Stay organized and love helping others. Work as a virtual assistant, VA, managing schedules, answering emails, or handling tasks for busy professionals. Sites like Belay and Zirtual connect VAs with clients globally. This role is highly in demand, well-paying, and perfect for someone who thrives on multitasking and problem-solving. Self-publish your expertise. or share a gripping story by writing an ebook. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow you to earn royalties while your book gets discovered by readers worldwide. Ebooks are a phenomenal passive income idea that lets your creativity work for you long after it's written. Although not a full-time gig, paid surveys and market research panels can help you earn extra cash in your free time. Websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie reward you for sharing opinions, watching videos, or testing products. It's simple, quick, and requires no special skills, perfect for some no-pressure earnings. Making money online doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Choose an idea that excites you, then commit to trying it out. Dive in, do some research, and take small steps. Open that store, post that ad, or upload your first video. Progress leads to possibilities. Now it's time to act. Make your mark in today's digital landscape and start building a side hustle that fits your life. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with which idea you're excited to try, and share this video with friends who are ready to hustle online.